Josh back at it again with another video. Be talking about the B200R. So originally I got this bike, and even with the original headlights, I was like, you know what? Let me swap it to LEDs, because obviously hot legends are played out. Ended up installing these right here. And when I pulled everything apart, it ended up already having a dual coil setup. So I think that dual coil was probably bad, but we already have this one already set up. So I'll show you guys right now. Let me start this thing up. Choke on. It's cold. Should start up though. So like I said, at idle, like when you turn on the switch, it'll be like low. But now when you turn it on, they're already damn near basically bright. So when you accelerate, so yeah, so that's basically what we're doing. So yeah, let's get right into it. We got the other Coleman. I got the new charging cord for that one, so we finna just get right into it and just install that one. So let's go. All right, y'all. So this is the part here. So we're finna cut it open. I'll show you exactly what we're dealing with. These are the dual coil setups. And when you see when I pull these other ones off, they do not look like this thick. They look like thin as shit. So finna install that. Also get yourself some of these crimps, butt connectors basically, but crimp ones, crimp style. Because this harness here, if you're doing this on a B200R, this harness does not work for it at all. Like at all. Unless you got the connectors, you know, to make your own harness. I do, but I don't want to look for it. So let's just get right into the teardown. What you're gonna need is you're gonna need an 8mm 5/16 to pull off the blower house cover, and then after that, you're gonna need an impact, and you're gonna need a hammer to pop off the flywheel, and that's basically pretty much it. You also got to pop off the coil for the spark plug. So let's get right into it. I did notice the ones that come inside are literally just a tad bit longer, and that does a big difference. I swear it does. So we're not finna use the new hardware. Alright, so we have enough room here to play with the magneto coil. Come on. Alright, so what you're going to do is you're going to get this piece of paper, slide it right in between the magneto coil and the flywheel itself. This is how you set it, and then you're just going to push. Wiggle it a little bit, just press it firmly. Don't press it hard as hell, just press it firmly. And that'll give you about average of what your gap should be. Alright, gonna start it up. First startup, everything's stock on it, so carb still might be a little bit dirty, so like the pilot jet or whatever, I didn't bother cleaning it, so that's why I want to upgrade already. Alrighty, let's see. As soon as I turn on this light, she'll be bright already. There you go. It wasn't like that before. Like that. That's literally how it would be at idle. like if it wasn't reading dual coils. But now that we have replacements because the other ones are bad, that's how it is at idle now. Before it wasn't like that at all, so. Alrighty guys, if you guys enjoyed this, like and share.